Hey, wanna know how to report succulent babies? Check this video. Hey everyone, it's Shaun and you're watching Plant School. Today I'm gonna show you how to report your succulent babies. These succulent babies you're seeing is about 1.5 months, and now it's time to report them. To report these succulents, all you need is a pot that has a hole so that water can drain out, and about soil mix I used here sand and any types of organic compost. I used here cow dung. You can use leaf mold and other types of organic soil mix. Now it's time to separate these babies from this single pot. Before planting these babies, you have to remove this mother leaf so that these babies can grow on its own, and also remove the dead leaves to avoid unwanted disease. Now plant them very gently without damaging their roots. After planting your succulents, keep them under a shady place where they can get bright light but not direct sunlight. And then you have to water them after 2 days. It's been 2 days and now I'm watering them, and just remember, you can only water them when the soil mix is dry. Don't repot your succulents which is smaller than this. And after 20 days you will have this size, and then you can place them where they can get 2 hours of sunlight, and you will have more colorful and healthy succulents. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more tips and tricks.